Hello everyone and welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I want to share with you the recipe for lentil balls. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I take 1 cup of red lentils in a strainer. I'm washing them thoroughly. I take it into my pot. I add 3 cups of water on it. I close the lid of the pot. When it starts to boil, foams are formed on it. I take the foam out. After it starts to boil, I turn down the stove. With the lid of the pot closed, I cook it until it absorbs the water. Look, there is very little water left in this way. I take it from the stove now. Then I add 1 cup of fine bulgur on it. I'm mixing well. Then I close the lid again. I keep it like this for about 20-25 minutes. I want to roast my onion. I take a teacup of olive oil into the pan. I finely chopped 1 large-sized onion. I add that too. I roast my onion a little. I add 2 full tablespoons of tomato paste on it. I also roast the tomato paste for a few minutes. I'm taking it from the stove. Now I take my lentil bulgur mixture that is waiting aside into the tray. Then I take my roasted tomato paste and onion on it. I add a teaspoon of cumin and red pepper. I add 1 freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm kneading it well. I occasionally dip my hand in water and knead it thoroughly. I add enough salt and I continue to knead. Let's add a few sprigs of finely chopped parsley and a few sprigs of finely chopped scallions. I knead a little more until the ingredients mix. Then I put some lettuce in a plate and prepare the balls on it. My lentil balls are ready to serve. I hope you will try and like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.